Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gladys here, and as you can see, I am painting my accent table, which was gold, and I don't care for gold that much, into white because of what I want to do in my home, minimizing and just making things very simple and the colors to be cooler. My dad was here. He's like, let me help you paint, and he wasted all my paint. Was painting like a crazy man, but I was truly appreciative of his help. Anyways, I was done painting that, and I forgot that I was supposed to take you guys in this journey, and I started painting the first coat on this. This is my island table in the middle of the kitchen. I decided to paint it gray, and because of what the kids started doing here, when we sit here, their feet touches that part right there and it gets all dirty, and I keep cleaning and wiping it, and it just was not working. So I decided to just paint it gray, which, as you know, I love gray. It's one of my colors here in my home. I decided to paint it gray and just keep it simple here. So where the roller paint couldn't go, I decided to just use the brush, and all my tools are from the Dollar Tree. It was the roller and the brush, and where you put the paint inside, it was all for $1, and I painted gray, and I actually like it that way. So I just decided to just make everything gray, so I don't have to worry about making that part white and messing it up. Yes, I'm that lazy, so I just decided to just paint it all gray, guys. This is where our bar stools are, and if you see the previous color, it was a little bit patchy. Now it's drying pretty nice, and it's still wet, so it will dry a little lighter than this. But as you can see, this was the previous color, and I don't even have any flash on, but you can see how dirty it was. The white, the kids sit here and we sit here, and our feet and shoes makes it dirty. So I thought having a gray to match the countertop. So my paint is Valspar Ultra. Is that Valspar? Valspar. Okay, listen, I already have an accent. I don't need to make it worse. And this is how the color is supposed to look. As you see, it's a little bit lighter. Then this is a little bit darker, so it will get lighter, I believe. I'm not a pro painter, I should say. I just got my equipment from the Dollar Tree. So I got this paint brush right here with the roller, and all of these three came in the pack for $1 at the Dollar Tree. So if you are interested, and the painter's tip is from the Dollar Tree, not the best one, I must say. It took me forever trying to like peel it off, and when I peel it off, it just ripped. So now I'm just gonna do this side and do it on the other side right there. And this is gonna be my Saturday project. I have more things I have to do. I have to go upstairs and change everything, and I'm gonna, of course, bring you guys with me, and you are going to see this video, and I hope you enjoy. So stay tuned for the final reveal. So guys, this is the final reveal of me painting my countertop section over here. It's not the countertop. What is this thing called? The island. So I decided to keep the base white, and I really like it like that, the trim white, and then just the outlet white as well. So this is the final reveal from the project we did. So now let's go upstairs and get that taken care of. So we are in my kids' room. I have a bedroom for my daughter and my son who share this room. So I really wanted to refresh this room for spring. As you know, this is my spring series. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove everything out of this room, remove all the wall stickers. I want this room to be calm, cool, and just like simple and let me not repeat myself, but just in case you don't know anything about my channel, I am trying to live minimally and getting rid of anything that could be taking away from that, just a simple living. So that's what I'm doing, just removing all these stickers. They're very vibrant and loud and bothering me, so I wanted to make it clean for the kids, and they love it, guys. If you see the final reveal, when they came home and they saw it, they love that room. It's easier for them to pick up after themselves and clean and without worrying about any type of distractions there. So I'm just peeling everything from the wall. I didn't think I wanted to keep it, so I didn't worry about how it came off. I just wanted to get rid of it from the wall, and we are going to go ahead and vacuum and get everything all taken care of. So I was so shocked with the things I saw under the bed. It was just horrible. This is why spring cleaning is best, because there's some funky things, funky smell in your home, and you don't know where it's coming from. It could be coming from under your bed, guys. And this is coming from under my kid's bed, just all this dirt. So I decided to go ahead and get it vacuumed. So I wanted to go ahead and move my kid's bed, but I did not want to remove the mattress, and no, it was a lot. So I was just like, I'm just going to push my way through this, and I was able to do it. I pushed my way through all of this after picking up all these things under the bed. So I pushed my way with one bed at a time, and I was so happy that I did that, because moving each things off that bed was going to take me forever, and I'm a one-woman show, so no. So I'm going to go ahead and vacuum the middle before I bring the other bed there. So this little bookshelf was in the kids' closet, and it was crowded. It was just gathering clutter and toys, and as you know, that is not how we are living here this year. So I decided to bring it out so I can see it. I know everything that's there. I minimized their book. I'm gonna give the rest to Goodwill. I just kept a couple of books for each kids, and they love it. They call it their library. So when I tell them, go to your library and go get some book before we go to bed, they can read. They're very responsible. They know where it is. And I'm happy about that. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and bring the cabinets back. This was a very easy process. So I'm going to show you guys the final reveal of this room. thank you for watching this whole video. It was so much fun filming it for you guys. If you're new here, I would truly appreciate if you click on that subscribe button. My name is Gladys and I do lifestyle video. God bless you guys. Bye y'all.